Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about Python if statement. First we can see if statement syntax. If text expression colon followed by body of if statement. Let's see the flowchart. If text expression is true, the body of if statement will execute. Then end of the program. If it is false, the program will end directly. With few examples, you will get a clear idea about Python if statement. Next, program using if statement. Here mark is a variable that holding integer input enter the mark is equal to. Here we need to enter the mark. If mark is greater than or equal to 40, we will get the output as congrats, you passed the exam. If mark is less than 40, that means we enter the mark, that mark is less than 40, we got the output as failed. Let's see the output in Python shell. Here we have two if statement. Let's run the program. First, I am entering the mark as 45. So we got output as congrats, you passed the exam. That means the first if statement is true. Let's try with another mark. Run. Now I am entering mark as 39 and we got output as failed. That means the second if statement is true and its body is executed. Let's see one more program. Here days is a variable that holding an integer input how many days in a leap year. If days we entered is equal to 366, we will get output as your answer is correct, congrats. If days not equal to 366, we will get output as your answer is not correct. Make sure exclamation followed by equal to sign is used for not equal. How many days in a leap year? Initially I am putting as 366. So your answer is correct and congrats. We'll try with another value. Now I am entering as 365. We got output as your answer is not correct. Try your own codes using Python if statement. Thank you for watching my video.